Hi, my name is Mansoor. I'm clinical prosthetic orthotist, Advanced Care Prosthetic Orthotic Center, Dubai. Okay, Advanced Care Prosthetic Orthotic Center treat the physically disabled peoples, and basically we work as a multidisciplinary team member to play our role as an orthotist prosthetist. Advanced Care basically provide prosthetics and orthotic services. Prosthesis is basically a device or artificial limbs that replace the missing body part or amputated body part as per the level of the amputation. The second major part of our services is orthotics. Orthotics is a device which basically the position stabilize the weakened body segment, could be the neurological issues or the musculoskeletal issues. Being a part of AccessAbilities Expo, which is going to happen on October 9 to 11, I would like to invite everybody to come and see how the prosthetic and orthotics going to change from disability to the ability.